You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town on the South Island of New Zealand. This is also the name of a brewing hop for making beer. It's named after this town. A name from Maori. Motueka. Motueka is the Maori pronunciation. In English, Motueka. Motueka. If you want to learn more New Zealand names, here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.